Nice. Just in time. I'm about to go shovel. Yeah, just in time. I was about to go out and shovel. Are you kidding me, SFA 1150? Yeah.
Winds gusting as high as 40 miles per hour. Where portions of south central, southwest, west central, and western Maine. Portions of northern New Hampshire. When from 7 p.m. Wednesday to 3 p.m. Thursday. Impacts, periods of moderate and heavy snow will combine with low visibility.
Oh, it's going to be a doubleheader because it went off on my phone.
The hazardous conditions could impact the Wednesday evening and Thursday morning commutes. Gusty winds can bring down tree branches. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions can be obtained by going to NewEngland511.org.
Not done yet. Come on, SFA. Ah, jeez.
Here is winter storm warning information for the following area in Maine, Interior York, and the following areas in New Hampshire, Belknap, Merrimack, Stratford, and Sullivan. What? Heavy mixed precipitation expected. Total snow accumulations between 6 and 10 inches and ice accumulations between 1 and 2/10 of an inch.
Same exact thing.
As high as 40 miles per hour. Where? In Maine, Interior York County. In New Hampshire.
It's okay, Alexa. It's okay.
Merrimack, Stratford, and Sullivan counties. When? From 3 p.m. Wednesday to 10 a.m. Thursday. Impacts, periods of moderate and heavy snow will combine with low visibility to create dangerous driving conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact
It's okay. It's okay.
Thursday morning commutes.
It's okay, girl. It's okay.
Travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions can be obtained by going to NewEngland511.org.
Still not done yet. Oh, never mind.